This video features standard and variation cooking steps. You can scan the QR code in our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for rendang, you can now make delicious rendang in 6 easy steps. Rendang is a dry curry with tender meat chunks braised in rich coconut gravy, myriad of spices and a hint of chili. In this video, we will show you how to prepare beef rendang and chicken rendang. Let's start with the beef rendang. Here are the ingredients you need. We recommend using beef shin. You may use other cuts of beef if preferred. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add cooking oil. Fry beef shin for 3 minutes or until fragrant. Step 2. Add water and high boil for 6 minutes. Step 3. Lower heat and medium boil for 1 hour and 35 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Add in water intermittently to ensure that the beef is completely covered by water throughout the cooking. Step 4. Add in the Prima Taste Rendang Complete Sauce and stir to mix well. Step 5. Continue cooking for another 40 minutes or until your desired texture. You may add in more water if you want to cook them longer. Step 6. Switch to low heat and continue stirring. Cook till the gravy is slightly thickened and glossy. And there you have it. Delicious and tender beef rendang is ready to serve. Next, we will show you how to prepare chicken rendang. Here are the ingredients you will need. We recommend using chicken leg, or you may use whole or other cuts of chicken if preferred. Let's start. Step 1. Add cooking oil. Fry chicken for 3 minutes or till fragrant. Step 2. Add water and bring to boil. Step 3. Add in the Prima Taste Rendang Complete Sauce. Mix well and medium boil for 8 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Step 4. Cook till the gravy is slightly thickened and glossy. Chicken rendang ready in 4 easy steps. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Check out our website for more cooking videos.